Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are safe and happy at home. Today we will do practical of looping statement. What is the meaning of looping statement? What are the different types of looping statement that I have already told you in my previous videos. So move to the computer lab.
So now we are going to start our that's notepad. To open the notepad, I have clicked on start button and typed here notepad and NOTEPAD. Okay, now entering. My notepad window is open. Now in this code I am writing the code for while loop. So first I have to follow the structure HTML. If you required head, then you can give head. Okay, I am writing head. Okay, and title of my web page is loop, and title close. You are aware about the structure of JavaScript code, so the same you have to follow. Now body. Now I am using S3 tag for heading S3, and in S3 tag I am writing while loop. S3 close. Now I am using script tag because I will use JavaScript code in HTML, so I am using script tag. Now I am declaring a variable var equal I is equal 0. So I have initialized a variable with the value 0, and now I am using while loop. While in parenthesis I will give condition while I is less than equal 10. Okay, that is a condition, and the statements which you have to follow. Document.write. Again parenthesis I plus and br tag for line break. Okay, parenthesis close and curly braces close. Sorry, I plus plus, because I have to use increment operator for it. I plus plus, curly braces close, body close, script close. I have closed a script tag. Okay, body, body, body close, HTML close. Once I'll check all the program, HTML hat title. Okay, body loop, script tag. Okay. Now it's time to save. To save the file, you have to click on file options. Save option is there. On desktop I want to save. Okay, so click on desktop and I'll write while, WHILE while, WHILE while dot HTML. Okay, I have saved it in on desktop. So minimize it, open. Yes, it is here. Click on it. While loop 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, because after 10, okay, so I will be greater than equal to. Now again come on your code file, main file. Look here, the counting was printed from 0 to 10. If I make change in that, I have supposed I have initialized I with 1. So what will be the output? Just check. Control plus S I have saved, and on that page, that web page, I will refresh it or reload. Now I think it's clear you. At that time when I have initialized the value from 0, the counting will start from 0. Now I have made a change and I have initialized I with 1, then counting will start with 1. Now look, now we are doing about do while loop. Okay, you know what three types of loops are there. I have explained you the practical of while loop. Now do while loop. So the same thing, you have to use HTML. Okay, head. In head you can give title, I am giving that is loop, title close. Now body. Okay, after body script tag I am using. Here I am using do while loop, so script var declared variable I is equal 5. Through this statement I have declared a variable and give it value 5 and do curly braces. Now statement which we want to follow, document dot write I plus and BR statement for line break. Okay, now increment decrement operator. Suppose I have used I plus plus. Okay, now curly braces close and while, and after while in parenthesis I have to give condition. So my condition is that I is less than equal 50. So counting will appear till 50. Okay, now I have closed script tag script. Now body closed. Now HTML close. I think it's clear. All the code for you. HTML close. Now it's time to save. So you have to press Ctrl plus S. I am writing do dot HTML. Okay. Now save it. Save and minimize it. And here do is there, just double click on it. 5 6 7 8 9 up to 50 because I have made the change in 50. For loop statement, so the same HTML title is loop and title close. Now body, now S3 tag or S2 tag, and that is for loop. S2 close. Now here script tag, because I am going to start JavaScript, so script tag is there. Now there is no need to declare variable. I will declare the variable in the for loop. So just start writing for loop. The syntax of for loop is for, and in parenthesis you have to declare a variable. Suppose I have declared var space I is equal 0. So I have initialization I have done. Now condition I have to give. So suppose I have given condition I is less than 10. Okay. Afterward increment decrement operator I plus plus. Got it? That is the syntax of for loop. Now in curly braces the statements which you have, which the loop will follow, that is document dot write in bracket I plus and space BR statement for line break. Okay, now bracket close, curly braces close, and it's time to close script tag. So I have closed the tag script. Now body close, now HTML close. Now you know what we have to do. We have to save our work. So Control S should be there, and on desktop I will save it with the name 4 FOR dot HTML. Okay, now I have saved it, minimize it, and 4 is appearing. Just open it, look the output once. For loop, something is wrong in your file, so once I am checking. So that is okay. Now I want to look the output. I have saved the file. Now minimize it and look the output of your for loop. Okay, so you have to practice the loop statements at your home on computers. Thank you.